I'm talking about shit. Yo, what's up? This video we're talking about how to invest for beginners. So you want to have active income first. You want to focus on that, like grow your active income. You might be like a doctor or whatever, a lawyer or whatever. Then you want to focus on passive income. But first, you got to focus on active income before you focus on passive income. So everything is percentages. You want to diversify, not keep all your eggs in one basket. That's the mistake I've been making in my youth. Like I'm like, now coming to like realization, like, oh shit, you know what I mean? I've been rolling the dice. Stupid, bro. All right, so boom. Fidelity, E-Trade. The more you grow your portfolio, it lets you loan against it, so it's incentivizing you. You want to aim for dividend income because you're getting some dividends income. It's incentivizing you. Like, all right, let me aim for dividend incomes. Whole time you can take a loan against your whole portfolio, and if you was aiming for dividend incomes, your portfolio got huge. So you're getting a huge amount against your portfolio. That shit is rocking. I'm telling you. And you want to have percentages. All right, so I might allocate a percentage for dividends and income. Um, I really want to pull this shit up. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit right here, my phone card, for real. Aim for dividend income. So once you aim for dividend income, it's helping you grow to a huge portfolio. But you want to build credit, business credit too. You take it out through a POS system, do this shit too. Look, these are the dividend incomes. There's different strategies. There's options, calls, and then once you get all of that, put it into shares of dividend incomes. Put it into shares of the like Apple, Tesla. You would have percentages, like I said, different baskets. Don't put one eggs in one. You have like different one. Boom, boom. So one basket fucks up, you had it in percentages. That's the mistake I was making in my youth. I came to the realization, like, oh shit. So boom, you go on hedgefollow.com. Remember, it's active income first. Like you might be a doctor, lawyer, and then this is what you do. So you don't end up like miserably. Like, so look, you want to end up a dead bitch. So you want to get what the top funds in the world are putting their money in. You see 808.83. Motherfucking, you want to go by performance. And you want to see asset management. Show you how to invest. You're going to follow multi-trillionaire hedge fund managements, right? Boom. This what is giving them the biggest returns, right? 487% TPL. So you go on Fidelity, E-Trade, and you put a call. You see the time type shit, Q2, Q3. So all right, boom. 1 to 3 months, you're gonna put a call option that the price is gonna go up. It's the same type of shit like instruments, that you gotta be careful. That's why you following people that have, look how many motherfucking billions this motherfucker managing. So like, alright, he already has a whole team for this. Boom. They know what they're doing. So you're gonna follow them and you put the code down. Now once you get the profits, you wanna aim to put it in like fundamental value investing too. And then also dividend investing. Like shares, like shares of the stock. So like it keeps growing like 20%, uh and all that. Like Apple. And then Look at Apple. It's just gonna keep growing, bro. Everybody loves Apple. Alright. It's number one. You wanna have Apple. You wanna have motherfucking Tesla. You wanna have American Express, the best business credit card, by the way. Shout out to them, you know that. So boom, building a value investing. It's percentages, like different baskets. Like alright, boom. Now it's American Express. See, Apple. See, number one, value investing. Like you just banking off that like 20% increase. How much this shit increase? It's not showing you right there, right? Like boom. It's percentages. You just putting it there, and you forgetting that you even had it. Like bro, like that's how it works. Alright, boom. The index fund is fire too. That's alright. That's already diversified for you right there. Boom. Um, and so also dividend investing. So it's all percentages, like different baskets. This one right here is a quarterly payout. This one right here. This one right here. This one right here. I should write these down. Put it in your portfolios. They pay higher dividends. You see? So that's your objective. Like, oh shit, I want them to pay me higher dividends. So next thing you know, you got a huge ass portfolio, and then next thing you know, you could take a line of credit against your portfolio. Feel me? You put it in the house type shit. Like, you know what I mean? Get the business. That's just one way. So that's why, like, that's how to invest for it. Again, it's not like just like, oh, you just put it in the account, let it grow 8%, 12%. Okay, there's compounding, but it's like also okay, there's dots collar average. Okay, but it's different baskets. Okay, and it's percentages and different strategies. Okay, to diversify. Okay, so like that's the whole shit. Like okay, and it's a snowball effect too. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it till that shit rolls down into a big ass snowball. Like okay, all that. It's like how you gotta do this shit. Um, DCA. So every time you get a check, you put like 200 a month till you could get more active income to put more, and you still putting in all these like different baskets, like the percentages of diversification, all your money. So it's not in one place. One place leaves you that bitch, then you a that bitch. So it's like nah, you want to have it in different places. Yup, that's my shit. Everybody's gonna tell you the same shit. Like, alright, it's compounding. I just gave you like a better way of looking at it. I said it. You putting it onto the snowball till it grows to a big ass snowball, like, and all that other stuff. The baskets, percentages. You following motherfucking asset managing like trillions, bro. This the Illuminati motherfuckers for sure, bro. So boom, you put in call options on what their $1 trillion funds is putting their money on. You're gonna win with them. You're gonna win with them. Look, 408%, bro. You put the call options on what they put their money on, TPL, which is saying you're gonna bet in 2-3 months after a certain price is gonna go above it. The more it goes above it, the more profits you're gonna make. Once you get that, boom, put it in value investing stocks like Apple, American Express, Tesla, Google, Nvidia, all of that, right? Boom, percentages. Never put the whole thing. The other, like other percentages, you want to put it into dividend, get higher dividends. Boom, get higher dividends. They pay you higher dividends. Now you can take a loan against your portfolio. Since your focus was to get paid high dividends, once you try to take a loan on your portfolio, yeah, you could get that shit to go in a house, investment or something. Dollar cost averaging is invested set amounts, regular intervals over time. So like you get active income, you a doctor, you a lawyer, and then you get your active income up, right? Boom. So you keep putting it in intervals. Like it's a long term plan. You stick to it. Like I'm gonna put 400, 1,000, 5,000 into all of these every month, every month. So I roll my. So when you retire, you don't end up with that bitch. You actually had a portfolio. So I hope y'all found that useful. How to invest for beginners 101 2015. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.